guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It is Veganuary day 24. Bonjour! Today we're making pommes de terre de frites. That's French for French fries.
Woo!
Alright, in reality, I would make a giant batch of these, but since it's just you and I today, we're just gonna take one giant ass potato and do some French fries.
We're gonna do some fries.
Yo, we're gonna do it. This potato is gonna make a lot of French fries. This is a pretty big potato. And FYI, McDonald's only uses russet potatoes because the fries will come out long and straight and there's not many blemishes on the potatoes. So that's why you use a russet potato for French fries, because McDonald's said to do it. Alright, so I'm gonna try a little experiment today. The way that I usually do these is just chop them up, put the seasoning on, and put them in the oven. Today, I'm a little curious. I want to do half that way, and the other half, before I put it in the oven, I'm going to pre-cook it a little bit in the microwave and see if it makes any difference. So, you'll see at the same time that I do. It could be no difference, it could be worse, it could be better. We're both going to find out. So I have already washed and scrubbed this potato. So now is the time to cut it into fries. Usually I go down the middle like this, and then just so it's more stable, I will have the flat end there so that I can cut these wedge shapes. And then you cut these as big as you want. Obviously, the thinner they are, the quicker they're going to cook, and the more crisp area there will be because there'll be more surface area. So we're just going to put these in a bowl when we're done. It's a little tricky. Don't cut your fingers off.
You don't want your fingers in the bowl.
No, that wouldn't be very appetizing now, would it?
No.
Now, you don't have to do the long fries. I just happen to really like these. It makes me feel like I'm eating at a fancy restaurant. But you could totally do crinkle cuts. You could do circle, you know, cut it this.
Stop!
You could cut it this way and make like the circles, you know. But I just really like these elegant long ladies' fingers French fries. Hope there's no ladies' fingers in the bowl. Not mine anyway. Alright, we've got them all cut up, and you can see that one potato made quite a few French fries. I don't like to put a lot of things on my French fries because I like the
You're a purist.
I'm a purist, and I like the flavor of what I'm dipping it in to really come through. I like the fry to be a vehicle for the sauce. So I like to start off with a little bit of lemon. I like to do a little bit of oil, not a lot. I'm not one of those no oil fry girls. If I'm gonna do fries, I'm gonna do at least a little bit of oil, maybe not so much. But my oil of preference is the avocado oil because this has a higher smoke point. It can take the higher temperatures without degrading. So if you want to use a good oil for this, avocado's your man or woman. Taco seasoning. I don't put a lot. I put just enough so that it says I'm still here. So I just give it a little sprinkling, and I have a recipe for this on this channel. My hair keeps getting caught to my lip gloss.
Ew!
I hate that.
Me too.
Alright, so last ingredient is Himalayan sea salt. That's what we're working with. Just a good sprinkling. Obviously, I'm not going to put any amounts of seasonings in the bottom bar because I'll just put what they are, because I don't know how much I just put in there. I mean, you just go by what you like, and the only way that you figure that out is by trial and error. You might not even like any of these. Then I take my rice paddle and I just zhuzh them up. Make sure everything gets evenly coated. Okay, now we're going to put half of these on one side. Now remember, it's French fries, so it's French fries rules, which is try and not have them touch as much as possible, because you don't want them to stick together, and you want all of the hot air circulating around as many sides as possible so that they will become crisp. Alright, so these are the normals. These I'm just gonna
Normies.
These I'm just gonna pop into the microwave for 1 minute. maybe a minute and a half. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's try 120. Alright, these actually, full disclosure, were a minute and a half. I added an extra 10 seconds. So I'm just going to rejudge them.
Smells good.
Yeah, right? They're probably pretty hot too, so I'm just going to put these this way.
How are we going to remember which side is which?
Because these are this way.
Okay, good idea.
And I'll tear the paper on this side.
Okay.
Like when you give me a water bottle and you don't want to drink out of my water bottle and you tear the paper on it.
It's nothing against you.
Okay. Alright, I've already got my toaster oven heated up to 400 degrees. And I'm going to pop these in for probably 15 to 20 minutes. I'm even going to keep them turned this way so that they get the same, you know, elements on them. Bye. Be amazing. All right, our experiment has concluded.
That is beautiful.
This side is the microwave side, and this side. Why not?
No.
They were, full disclosure, they were in for a total of 30 minutes at 400. So let's see what Maddie thinks.
All right.
Why don't you try a microwave one first?
That's this side.
Yeah.
I'm using a fork because I'm a loser. Get a little ketchup there. Ah! I'm sorry, that's gross, but that's really good.
Was it because it was hot?
I mean, my noise was gross.
Oh. I couldn't determine whether that was because it was too hot or whether it was because actually
That's amazing. Good. Wow. Okay, now let's get a little bit of this.
A little bit of that action?
Just toaster, right?
Yeah.
Why am I touching this when I'm using it? All over the place. Mmm. Give me a second.
Okay. Do 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 do.
Ah, that is so tasty. Okay. So obviously they're both amazing.
Okay.
What I will say, the microwave ones are creamier. Okay. They don't have the same like crunchy, hard texture on the outside.
They don't, or they do?
They do not.
Okay.
But I like that.
Oh, really?
Sometimes I really like a, not a soggy fry, but like kind of a soggy fry.
Like a soft fry.
Yes. So that one, I feel like the microwave really took it for me. But like, there is something to be said. If you like the super crispy ones, I would go full oven.
Right.
If you like a little bit more of a soft, pillowy texture, I would go.
I know what you're saying. Sometimes you get like that skin on the outside, and it's like, who put loose leaf on the outside of my French fry? Right?
Right.
Exactly.
Okay.
Cough it up.
I can't.
All right. There you have it.
Oh man, that's so good though.
Let me know if you try this. I mean, do the experiment for yourself. See which one that you like better. Also, if you don't like these seasonings, let me know what you put on your fries. Like, I know some people put rosemary or just salt and pepper or, you know, hot sauce or...
So velvety. I'm sorry, I just gotta say I'm like team microwave first, then oven.
All right, let us know what the verdict is. Thumbs up if you like this type of video. How you doing? It's almost the end of Veganuary. It's almost the end, but it's where it all began.
Ah! All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and until tomorrow, much love.